Welcome to the scrapyard, where pieces of metal that have completed their original mission are gathered, but don't think that this is their final destination. Every year, millions of tons of scrap iron and steel are discharged. If not treated properly, they will become a burden on the environment. Collecting and recycling iron and steel not only helps reduce waste, but also significantly saves natural resources. Did you know that iron and steel can be recycled indefinitely without losing their inherent properties? Share your thoughts on this. After collection, scrap iron and steel are carefully classified. Large pieces of metal are shredded for easy processing in the next steps. The classification process helps remove impurities and ensures the quality of recycled steel products. Using modern technology in sorting and processing scrap helps increase efficiency and minimize environmental pollution. Do you think it is important to apply high technology in recycling? Why?
Processed scrap is fed into a smelter at around 1500 degrees, where it melts into liquid steel. Smelting scrap requires less energy than producing steel from virgin ore, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Using an electric arc furnace to melt scrap steel is an environmentally friendly and efficient method. Did you know that recycling steel reduces CO2 emissions by up to 58% compared to producing new steel? Share your thoughts. After refining, the qualified molten steel is transferred to the billet casting stage, an important step in shaping new steel products. Here, the molten steel is poured into the casting mold, where it gradually cools and solidifies, forming steel billets of a certain shape and size, preparing them for the next processing. The billet casting process requires high precision to ensure the quality and uniformity of the steel. Proper control of temperature, pouring speed, and cooling will directly affect the microstructure and mechanical properties of the steel billet. If not done carefully, it can lead to defects such as porosity, cracks, or compositional inconsistencies. Continuous billet casting is a modern method that increases productivity and reduces material waste. Instead of casting individual billets, this method allows molten steel to be continuously poured into the mold, creating long and uniform billets. This not only improves production efficiency, but also improves the quality of the final product. How do you think optimizing the casting process will affect the cost of steel products? Will investing in modern casting technology help reduce production costs and increase competitiveness in the market? After going through the billet casting process, the steel continues to the hot rolling stage. Here, the steel billet is heated to a temperature above 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, about 537 degrees, exceeding the recrystallization temperature of steel. In this state, the steel becomes soft and easy to shape through a powerful rolling system, helping to shape the product into the required size and shape. The hot rolling process not only helps shape the steel, but also significantly improves the mechanical properties of the material. When steel is rolled at high temperatures, the internal grain structure is refined, increasing strength and ductility. However, due to natural cooling, the surface of hot-rolled steel often has an iron oxide layer, causing the surface to be rough and the color to be uneven. Hot rolling is an important step in the production of high-quality steel products for the construction and industrial sectors. Hot-rolled steel products are often used in applications that do not require high dimensional and surface precision, such as steel beams, rails, or large building structures. Did you know that hot-rolled steel and cold-rolled steel have significant differences in properties and applications? Cold-rolled steel is produced by further processing hot-rolled steel at room temperature, which improves dimensional precision and results in smoother surfaces. However, this process is more expensive and is often used for applications that require high precision and surface precision, such as in the automotive or home appliance industry. Let's discuss the pros and cons of each type of steel and their specific application. After undergoing the hot rolling process, the steel products are cooled to stabilize their structure and mechanical properties. Next, they are thoroughly tested to ensure that they meet strict quality standards before reaching consumers. The cooling process and quality control play an important role in ensuring the uniformity and durability of steel products. Proper cooling improves the mechanical properties of steel, while quality control helps detect and eliminate substandard products, ensuring safety for users. The quality of recycled steel can be completely comparable to steel produced from new raw materials if well controlled. Strict adherence to cooling and quality control processes helps ensure that recycled steel products meet high standards, meeting diverse market needs. Do you believe that recycled steel can completely replace virgin steel in the future? Using recycled steel not only saves resources, but also minimizes negative impacts on the environment. Please share your views on this possibility and the challenges that may be encountered during the transition. From seemingly useless scrap pieces through a miraculous journey, they have been reborn into new steel products, contributing to the sustainable development of society. This process not only helps protect the environment, but also brings significant economic benefits. Recycling iron and steel helps reduce metal waste, save energy and natural resources. At the same time, it also reduces production costs and creates jobs in the recycling industry. Promoting steel recycling is not only a trend, but also an inevitable need to move towards a circular economy and sustainable development. Each of us can contribute by properly classifying and collecting scrap metal, supporting the recycling process more effectively. Let's raise awareness about the importance of steel recycling and join hands to act for a greener future. Do you have any ideas or experiences about recycling and using recycled steel? Please share to learn together and spread positive values.